Hey, what's up my good people, Jeff Carbuoy here. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the clock on a Honda CR-V, and right now it's showing it's 10:49, is actually 8:49. So I'm going to show you how to set up the clock Honda CR-V, and this particular one is 2008. So you need to identify this button right here. This one says clock right there. And then you also need to identify these two buttons right here, number 1 and number 2. It has a H for hour, M for minutes. So you press and hold this button right here. Once the clock start blinking, then you need to come back here, and when you're gonna click until it's 8, because right now it's at 8 and I think it's 8:45. So we're gonna click this until it's 45. 42, 45 right there. Then we're gonna click this button just once, just like that. And that's how you set up a clock 2008. Stay tuned. This is your man Jeff Carbuoy. Subscribe, and thank you guys for your support. See you on the next one.